Hi guys, this is the last example in the problem solution section in C programming language lesson. This program is to take a matrix transpose for a given matrix in here from the user. So we're gonna give a matrix this program, and we can also create a 2 by 2 matrix in here, or the 3 by 3 matrix. Then we're gonna apply some function in the main code in here. Then the given matrix is transposed to the next matrix, which we are printed on the output screen in here. Okay, let's start with include some main function. As you know, standard input output header file should be included to printf or scanf usage. So we're gonna create main body for the program in here. Then we should define a static array in here, 10 by 10, with the limits of the matrix is 10, and its type is integer value in here. For the loop variable I and j should be defined, and n, m, n should be defined for the size of the matrix given to the program. Now we should print some warnings in here. Enter the order of the matrix with a new line, scanf %d with row m column matrix operator in here, m and n. Okay, so then we're gonna define printf in here. Enter the coefficient of the matrix. So we are gonna use the nested for loops in here. I equal to 0, I smaller than m plus plus. Then we're gonna search the column value of these matrices provided by second for loop. Then scanf %d address operator array in here. Okay, then we're gonna print this matrix in here. The given matrix is new line operator. For, as we know, the same code is here with a small difference, which means that this scanf turn to printf and this address operator is deleted in here. Okay, then we're gonna also add the new line operator to each row is separated from the program. Okay, and then we're gonna do the transpose operation in here. Transpose of matrix is new line for the same loop in here, but with a small difference, which means that I turn to the j turn into the e in here. Then which variable must change in here, and n, m should be translated into the another coefficient. Okay, and we must plus j and plus plus I should be added to the code. Okay, now we can test the program in here. So we should build the program, then the build is okay, then we're gonna run this code like question for executable file can be called in here. Enter the order of the matrix such as 3 by 3 matrices, coefficients of the matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 underline 7 8 9. Then the given matrix, okay, I have some mistakes in printing function, which means that we're gonna have one empty space in here. Okay, we should rebuild this code again and clear all this. We're gonna run this code, executable file, 3 by 3 matches in here, 1 2 3 first row, 4 5 6 second row, 7 8 9 third row, and voila, the given matrix is 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 9. Then as you can see, we check the output in here. 2 4 translated into the second output, and 3 7 translated into the another elements of each matrix. This is the final example in here. This is simplest code today that we are trying to structure or create the structure database or the matrix multiplication with the aid of the standard function and the recursion function in here. So I can finish all the lesson in here, but you should remember that all the codes can be split into the different function, as we can, as in the previous section or the problems, we did define all these operators in the different function in here. But I can collect all the codes in the transpose operation, because the transpose is the simplest program in here today. Okay, thanks everybody.